Next example, we have f of x is equal to 3 if x is greater than or equal to 4. And then f of x is equal to x minus 1 if x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 4. Again, x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 4. And then we're asked to find the value of f of x if x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 1. And then, parang sa madaling salita, in evaluating a piecewise function, kung yung value ng x mo daw ay greater than or equal to 4, ito yung gagamitin mong function. Pero kung yung value ng x mo is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 4, then ang gagamitin mong function is yung x minus 1. Ganun lang. Basically, ganun lang yung sinasabi nung evaluating a piecewise function, or that's how we're going to do or to evaluate a piecewise function. So, if x is equal to 6, let's try to identify the value of f of 6. So, since the value of x is 6, saan siya na restriction belong? So, dun ba sa x is greater than or equal to 4, or dun sa x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 4? So, obviously, dito siya sa x is greater than or equal to 4. And what's the function adjacent to this restriction yun ay f of x is equal to 3. So, f of 6 is equivalent to 3. Wala na ulit tayong isa-solve since the given function is a constant function. And then, what if, dito ko na lang ilalagay, if x is equal to 1. So, if x is equal to 1 daw, saan siya papasok? X is greater than or equal to 4 or dun sa second restriction? Hindi siya pwede dito kasi nga 1 lang siya eh. And 1 is not greater than or equal to 4. Dito siya sa second restriction na x is greater than 0. Yes, 1 is greater than 0. And it is also less than or equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin, dahil nasa second restriction siya, we have to use the second function, which is f of 1 is equal to x minus 1. Wherein, ito yung gagamitin nating function kasi nga dito siya restriction. Tapos, we solve for the value of f of 1 or yung y by substituting the value of x as 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, the value of f of 1 is 0. This time around, nag-solve tayo because the given function is a linear function. So, ganun lang, hindi lang kayo nagsosolve if constant function yung binibigay. But if the given function is quadratic or linear, then you have to solve or you have to simplify the given equation.